Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire and today we are going to make Summerween bracelets. And yes, Summerween is a thing and it's so much fun. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Now most of the supplies that I use in my videos are available on my website lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do currently have a 10% offer for £10 spend. We are nearly at 2,000 subscribers. Let's get this community going. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see, if you'd like me to make anything, if you're having problems with anything, how you are, what country you're watching me from. So please don't be shy. I do reply to every single comment received and I love reading your replies. So let's make these spooky Summerween bracelets. So what am I going to be using today? I've got some pony beads. I love these pony beads. They're so bright and vibrant. I've got lots of different colours available. You've got these. This is a Halloween kit. I bought these from, check out my videos I've done previously. Because I said where I bought these from, here in the UK. And they're great, you know, they've got pumpkins. These are similar to the evil eye. So we're going to be using those as well. Now these are the letter beads I've chosen to use today. These are sold in packs of 100, but if you are going to be making several bracelets, I do not pack these. There is no guarantee what's inside. So for today's video, I'm going to be using 3 packs. These are the black and white ones. So I've got my ruler. It's a bit hard to see because I've got black here. The 7 is on the letter T for me. So we're going to make bracelets. So they're 7 inches in length. Now I've got some 0.6 stretchy elastic. This is clear elastic. So I think what we're going to do first of all, we need to spell out some letters. So we've got Boo and Halloween. So we're going to measure 12 inches and slip. Give it a stretch. I will add a clip on the end to stop the beads from falling off. So we need to think of what colours we're going to do. So I am going to use this one. And let's think what we want to do. So I think we'll have 2 black there. Halloween, Halloween. Right, so I think we'll do 2 black, then we'll put the 2 pumpkins, and then we will do green. Let's start threading the beads. If the bracelets are going to be for the younger children, you would alter. It could be 6 inches, 5 inches. So there we are, we're at the T, which is 7 inches. So this is how I tie the bracelets. I do a simple hand over knot. Then I go over again, I go over twice. And this is what we call a surgeon's knot. And then pull those together. And then I do one the other way. They're going nowhere. That is the knot I like to use on everything that I make. and then obviously it's hidden. Right, so we've got Halloween, and then we are going to do a boo one now. So again, we cut another 12 inches. Give it a stretch. If you want to add charms to your bracelets, you can. I'm not going to in this video, but I will do on later videos. And start threading the beads. There we go. So again, simple hand over knot. Then we do the same again, but we do it twice. There's always an image up above to show you, and then we do one the other way, and then snip. And there we have that one. Boo. Right, let's change these over. Move those. So first we need to make, what shall we do now? There we are. Right, we have Ghost and Spooky. Ghost and Spooky. There we've got Spooky. The last one we're going to do Ghost. What shall we do with, what colours shall we do for Ghost? We'll do two. Black. Yeah, I think I'll do those. And there we have Ghost. So we have Boo, we have Halloween, we have Ghost, and we have Spooky. Which one's your favourite colour combo? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and happy crafting.